Chemistry class, please put on your goggles and your optional apron now. This is station number 2, and this is the dehydration station. You are going to boil off or heat off water from a solid compound. You are going to put the iron ring onto the ring stand, clamp it about 3 inches above the top of the Bunsen burner, and then adjust accordingly, and carefully please, if you have to. Put the clay triangle on the iron ring. You're going to place 2 scoops of the blue crystal into your crucible. Put the crucible on the clay triangle without the lid. The lid's going to sit very cockeyed, and it's very unsteady and very breakable. So put the crucible on the clay triangle first. Then place the cover on the crucible slightly ajar, just like the picture shows, because when you boil off the water turns to steam, and you want the steam to escape into the atmosphere. So if you notice from the picture, there's a slight space between the crucible and the cover. So make sure it looks like that. You're going to light the Bunsen burner away from the apparatus, just like you did in station number 1. Make sure your goggles are on, as always. Light the Bunsen burner, adjust the flame of the Bunsen burner, place the Bunsen burner under the crucible, and then cook the contents of your crucible for about 3, maybe 4 minutes. You can actually see the steam coming out of the vent of the crucible. When it's done, when you're confident that it's cooked enough time, turn off the Bunsen burner, remove the crucible very carefully using the tongs, remove it from the clay triangle, which is also hot, to the ceramic tile. Let it cool. Clean out your crucible, dispose of the crystals in the properly marked beaker, wash and dry the crucible, take apart the apparatus, leave it all on the table, leave it all nice and clean for the next group to do the exact same procedure. And rip it apart so that the next group can get the hang of putting it all together again.